This wire worm is so simple and effective, it might actually get banned. To tie it, we won't even start out with thread. We'll actually lay down a base of super glue, followed by some medium red wire. Start your wire well into the bend of the hook, and begin to wrap it forward in close touching spirals, trying to ensure that no gaps are left behind. Continue to do this until you reach the eye of your hook, at which point you can cut it free and super glue it in place or secure on some red thread. Use your thread to help secure the wire in place, securing both in front as well as behind your wire, and helicoptering the excess free. At which point we'll whip finish to hold the thread in place, after which we'll coat it in some UV resin to add some shine and durability to our pattern. Next, we'll use the back of our scissors to cut the excess wire free. You can also do this in the front as well, and grab some more thread in a hotspot color. Here I've selected to use pink, however you can use any color you choose, and continue building up a prominent hotspot just slightly forward of the middle of your fly. You can make this as large or as small as you'd like. Once happy, we'll whip finish, snip our thread free, and paint it over with some UV resin to add some shine and durability to our thread wraps. Fix in place with the UV light, and finish coating the red wire of your worm, again to add durability and shine to our pattern. And this is a wired bloodworm, and while it can be tied without thread wraps, in doing so, technically it wouldn't even be a fly. And while it doesn't have as much movement as other worm patterns, it is one of the most durable ones out there, and still can trick some fish. And if you'd like to win this one, comment #flies in the comments below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.